Right now I'm setting up the power connections for the board. So I'm going from the breaker box out and then basically just crimping the ends of the wires and attaching them to the different boxes.
Well, my name is Luke Bees and I am a BAS controls technician. Well, I'm in the energy management degree. So this semester I'm studying building automation, basically a lot of this stuff, what I'm doing at work.
My name is Jim Larson. My position is control technician, but mostly since I started I've been doing the engineering where we basically draw out what we're going to be installing and pick out all the parts that we need to control what we're installing. Initially I was in the solar program, but a lot of the like the ancillary classes, like the drives class and like the automation class were really helpful for this. Like we use relays left, right, and center here, so it was good to just know simple stuff like how that works.
Henry, I'm a project manager with Automated Energy Solutions.
Pretty good pay and satisfying work.
Some of the best pay is in controls. There is a lot of money in controls.
Okay.
A good control technician or a BAS engineer, building automation systems engineer, somewhere starting in the $35 an hour range up to, could be in the $50 an hour, into the hundreds of thousands is the salary, you know, off of a technical degree. So that's the better part of it, is you can't get this at a state college. It's a technical job. It's not classroom taught. You know, the classrooms only approach the subject. This is experience taught. This is standing next to an engineer, next to a controls technician, standing next to a programmer and learning it that way. There is no end to what building controls can do right now, because it's not just controlling the heat. We're building automation engineers now. So we're controlling entire buildings as far as the energy, lighting. With these types of controllers now, there's no end to what we can do.
Could you see yourself working in this line of work for a while?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? Is the money exciting?
Very exciting.